Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use generative AI in Adobe Express. To using generative AI in Adobe Express, you have to log in first in Adobe Express website. After that, from if you are in home page, you can just simply access the generative AI from here. If you are not in the home page, from there you can just simply click on this. You will get to redirected to generative AI. Now, in my case, I will just simply click on this, and for example, I will generate an image. Click on that. Now, I have to explain what I want to create. For example, I want to create a cat, edge of cat holding a flag of England, or you can say USA, or you can say UAE. Uh, you can give a reference image here, style and composition. Right now, I don't have any reference images, so I've simply skipped that point. Now you can choose content type from here. For example, I will choose photo. Now just click on, you can select the style as well. I want to create digital art. No, I want to create this one as well. So click on generate. It will generate the image based on your prompt. So this is what he created of that prompt I have given to him. So this picture looks good. Now, if I want to add more things into this image, just simply deselect the image and select the image. Now, this kind of thing will appear. Now from here, you can remove the background, erase, remove object, or insert object. For example, I want to insert an object. I want to give a goggle to cat. Make a glasses, sunglasses, sunglasses. Now just click insert. It will generate the glasses. Sometimes it gives good result, but sometimes he gives bad result. So you have to give a detailed prompt to insert object. So make sure that. So what the heck is this? This one is little good, but you can generate more. So this thing is not that good. Like you you have to give a detailed prompting to adding good objects. For example, this one is little good. So this is how you can use the AI for creating image or inserting objects, but make sure you have given good prompt to make a good object. So if you like this video, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.